Alright, welcome to Binder Overhaul. One of the first things that you're going to see is if you press F, you'll be greeted by this brand new shiny panel. One of the things you can do is you can move the panels around, all three of them. Just click anywhere that's not a button, and you can drag it and move it. While you're dragging it and moving it, you can use your mouse wheel to make it bigger or smaller and put it wherever you like. This persists through game reloads, so it all should just work pretty much. The sort by functionality persists through expansion changes. So if we load up Tetramon, right now we are sorting by default. If I click price, it works. Now, in vanilla, if you swap to Destiny, your sort by feature swaps back to whatever you have saved on Destiny. But with this, if you hit Destiny, it persists the sort by for the whole time that you're viewing the binder. So you're free to navigate very elegantly and efficiently with your sort by features. The next thing that we can do is use these plus and minus features here. So if we go plus and we want to filter by common cards, we hit apply. Now we only see common cards. So this is an X common foil. This is a full art common foil, etc. You can bring it all the way up to rare, epic, legendary. Legendaries are fully evolved cards. So as you can see, now we are seeing only fully evolved cards. If I swap back to Tetramon, these filters will stay and the sort by will stay. We are sorting fully evolved cards, which is legendary, and sorting by price on Tetramon. That is exactly what we have, and the page number down the bottom has dynamically updated. We can do the same with the other filters. So this is the border. So if I only wanted to see legendary full art cards, I can do that. There we go. These are all of my full art legendary cards, sorted by price. If I wanted to sort by duplicates, I could. I just hit duplicates, and there's my duplicates. If I want to go back to the monster order, I just go default, there's the monster order with the correct amount of pages. Let's go back to price. The next thing you can do, and this is mainly a vanilla thing, but you can sort by element as well. So let's say I wanted to see only legendary cards that are full art and made of water and sort by price. Well, these are all my legendary full art water cards sorted by price. And it just works. And if I swap back to the Destiny expansion, it'll just work. Everything gets reapplied exactly the same. Now, here's the next cool bit. Let's say I remove these filters. And let's say right now I am on the Destiny expansion. Let's say I want to see only Destiny graded cards. Well, you see this normal binder, you just swap it over, and now we're on graded binder. Hit apply, and my mod will automatically make you a brand new graded binder, which is separate from this expansion. It's a completely different thing. This is brand new. The filter and sort options work identically. So if I wanted to see only fire, I could go fire and it'll show me fire. So it all works exactly the same. I can also carry along this fire and go, let me see Destiny graded cards. So now I'm seeing Destiny graded cards sorted by price. Tetramon graded cards sorted by price, but only fire. If you click default, I do this really cool thing where first I sort it by, am I filtering the expansion? I am. I'm on Tetramon graded binder. So I'm only doing Tetramon cards. Then I'm checking, okay, the first monster in Tetramon is Pigini, or however you say it, Pygmy. Then it's doing the border type and the duplicates, but here's the cool thing. These are all X common Pygmies. All of them, X common, X common, X common. I used my graded overhaul to get every single grade to show you that if you use the default sort, not only does it now do it in the correct monster order, but it also does it in the correct grade order of that monster. So if you have multiple of the same grade, it's perfectly in order. It's great. So let's say you want to view all of the graded cards that you have. Can you still do that? Yes, but the first thing you have to do is make sure you turn off the graded binder and apply. So now you're back in the normal Tetramon view. You can still just click graded card and it still shows you all the cards that you've graded. And the cool thing is because I'm on the default sort order, it does expansion. So these are all Tetramon cards, then it's Destiny cards, and then it's Ghost cards, and then it's whatever other expansions you have here from Enhanced Prefab Loader or whatever have you. And it does it perfectly in sequential order. Okay, so for the binder overhaul compatibility with the Enhanced Prefab Loader, let's take a look at this synthetically generated expansion. So all of these cards are not texture replaced. These are all brand new created cards out of thin air using the Enhanced Prefab Loader. The cool thing is that I can load up the expansion and you can see the sorting order already. It's alphabetical. So if we have a look at my tool that I made, the Prefab Loader editor, we can see that I said put Abra on page 1, slot 1. So there he is, and put Caterpie on page 1, slot 8. And if we have a look, we're on page 1, slot 1, and we are also on page 1, slot 8. So yeah,